Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice and this channel is called Alice's Life. Today my hair looks a bit like a Victorian schoolboy's, but anyways, I'm going to be showing you how to make sort of like a self-care gift box that you can post to someone, and it's small enough, thin enough, so it'll fit through a standard UK letterbox. You don't have to pay extra charge, it would just be the large letter price, which I'm going to add once I've gone to the post office. I'll write it up here. See what the price is. Anyway, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So this is a bit of a weird angle, but I'm doing this on the floor. So I've got these boxes. These are sort of letterbox boxes, and I bought a pack of 5 from Etsy. They were a little bit pricey, but I think if you bought them in a larger quantity they would work out less. So basically you just want to start by making the box. So this is what the box looks like. It's very thin, but it's the right size to go through a letterbox in the UK. So first of all, I'm going to start with some tissue paper, just as a sort of liner. Then last week I showed you how to make this homemade chocolate bark, so that's going in. If you don't want to make homemade bark or like homemade chocolate, then there are other options, but I would recommend doing quite a nice chocolate. So this would be another option, would be this ginger chocolate from Green and Blacks. Probably want to go for something a little bit on the posh side. So yeah, it has to be the right sort of level to fit in. Then I've also got some tea bags. So this is a good way to use up tea bags you don't like. This one's kind of okay, but I suppose I'm not really keen on these, so I'll put these in. Some tea bags, and then I've also bought a hot chocolate sachet, and that was 38p in Asda, I think, just to kind of like make it a bit nicer. And then food wise, I've also got 2 Biscoff individually wrapped ones, some Love Heart sweets like that, and then in Asda I bought these sweet vanilla scented maxi tea lights. So I've got 12 of them, and each one is meant to burn for 8 hours, which is pretty good. So I'll put, I think I'll put a couple of those in there like that. At the moment it's looking like this, and then I've also got this face mask which can go in there. I've actually got this sort of lip and cheek product which I'm going to add in. I don't really know if there's space. Then I've got a card. In the UK it is Mother's Day on Sunday the 27th of March. So I've made my mother a card, and I've also included 4 photos of myself. So I'm going to put these in the envelope, and that will be going in as well. So I've got the card. Then to increase the monetary value of your gift, you might decide to add in a sort of voucher or gift card. So you can buy gift cards for places like half an hour massage, an hour massage, or maybe even a garden centre. But I decided to go for a Marks and Spencer's gift card. And I've got the envelope for it here. And you can actually do up to £500 in this gift card, so that's what I've done. Joking, I have not done £500, but I put a bit of money in. And so that's going to go into my, that's going to go in as well. Yeah, so that's what it's currently looking like. And then I've also got some rose petals. I'm going to put a few of these in to fill up any gaps. So there you have it. I just need to put the label on and then take it to the post office. Hopefully I haven't got it too fat and this is going to be okay. Yeah, so I hope this has given you some inspiration. It doesn't need to be for Mother's Day. It could be for a friend, someone else. Anyway, so thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and bye.